Look at this. We have a beautiful El Camino. No, we don't. This is a 72 GMC Sprint. Everyone that sees it calls it an El Camino. If you get $1 for everyone that calls it an El Camino, you'll have this car paid for in a year. But anyway, it's a gorgeous restoration, custom color and wheels, beautiful interior, well optioned. We'll tell you all about it in a minute. You can also go to volocars.com, and that's where you'll find a price tag on every car we have in inventory. There's about 200 right now, and each one will have a monthly finance option as well. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. So it has the SS hood. That's the raised hood and laser straight. You know, we get nice ones, and then you get the exceptional. This is looking like it's going to be the exceptional one. This real tricky gap up here is right on the money. It sits flush. Fender, no emblems. They kept a nice, smooth, clean look. All nice, clean, smooth along the bottom, no rust. They put in these modern flush mount door handles. I wrote in the ad, a baby could open it. It's so easy. Shuts real nice. All this is excellent. Big, long quarter panels, all clean and straight. Tailgate's in excellent shape, no rust, no damage. This side is also just as straight, even right down to the bottom. No rust, no issues. Door opens up so easily. There is a little mild, you got to look for it, like a little crease. Something slid across here and did leave a little scratching and just a mild crease in the metal, very mild. So the rest of this, the body's outstanding. The paint's a beautiful color. It is a dark red metallic. I can see the metal flake, and it's all laid out evenly. It's all one color, polished like glass. There's going to be a little chip here or there. I should have pointed them out as we went around. This side fits real nice too. Again, it's tricky to get both these, lined up nicely. There's a chip on the edge of the door. I think that's the worst of it right there. But you'll find a couple others, a tiny one on the edge of the door there. Looks like all the chrome and trim was redone. Everything up front, the lenses, the bumper, it all looks really sharp. Windshield's new. I think all the glass is new. All this trim, the stainless moldings, they were all replaced. There's about 4,500 miles on the restoration. So when I say new, that was at the time of the restoration. The mirrors, the window seals, all that trim, all of this trim, yeah, it's new glass, it's crystal clear. All the trim around the bed, the stainless and the chrome was replaced. Tail lights, bumper, reverse lights, all of that was redone. Here is a little dent in the trim right here. And then it's sitting on some 17-inch custom wheels with Nitto performance tires. Why don't we open it up? I got more good stuff to show you. So the tailgate has a handle on the inside, functions really well. As a matter of fact, the latch mechanisms, hardware, cables, all look new. Even the rubber flap and the clips look new. And then just look how nice it's painted. The inside is painted just as slick as the outside. The bottom is a chip guard, but it's tinted the same color. So that's a really nice bed. That's perfect how they did it. Shuts real easily. We also have Buy It Now button next to every car on our website. If you see something, that's how you get it locked up. If you want to know about the new arrivals, you want to have them texted to you, text the word new to 844-592-2431. Door jambs are slick. Whoever painted the car knew what they were doing. This is show quality body and paint. Weather strips are replaced. They all fit nice. Door panels were replaced. They're in excellent shape. A little bit of the dye is wearing off the pad on the armrest. Power windows, I don't know if you noticed that. There's speakers in the door panels. The whole dash area is excellent. The pad, this whole panel, the knobs, vents, all of it's been replaced. Obviously digital gauges, 4,546 miles. Retro stereo, heater control panel, vents, even the lighter. It was all replaced. Light works. Kick panels are real nice. Carpet's excellent. I don't think this seat cover is just out of the catalog. I was trying to tell if it's like genuine leather. I think it might be, but whatever it is, it's extra soft. Very comfortable seat. Seat belts look excellent. You know, you got the armrest, headrests are all upholstered real nice. And then behind the seat, yeah, big couple of subwoofers, an amplifier, and everything's painted and clean and neat and looks real sharp. Headliner's redone, visors are redone, mirror is new. Then we got billet specialty steering wheel and a tilt column. It's got a modern fuse panel under the dash with push-in fuses, so I'm sure it's got a new wiring harness. Just looks really nice and clean and fresh, and everything fits right. This one was put together right. So we got a 350 motor, Edelbrock intake, big dual feed Holley carb with electric choke, HEI ignition back there. There's a custom plaque. It says GMC Sprint on the firewall. Some nice valve covers. We got headers. This is a factory air conditioned unit, but I can tell it's been serviced. A lot of new and upgraded parts. So the front of the motor. Oh, we got a chrome fuel pump hiding down there, but we got a serpentine belt system, the modern AC, alternator, AC compressor, modern power steering. This whole unit must be off like a newer type car. It's a hydro boost steering and power brakes, stainless braided hoses, new wiper motor. You can see the whole engine bay is painted slick as the car. All the steering components, the whole steering column looks new or rebuilt. And then up front, we do have an aluminum Champion radiator with dual electric fans. Again, show quality motor compartment, even under the hood, with a cadmium plated spring. So underneath this car is exceptionally clean as well. The floors, braces, all nice clean metal, painted a semi-gloss black. The front end, all the steering, all looks brand new, all clean and fresh. Bushings, ball joints, nuts, bolts, you name it. In back, it's got boxed control arms, a sway bar. Also has a 2-inch lowering kit all the way around. It's got a nice exhaust system. There's splitter tips on both sides. You just barely see the tips sticking out under the body there, so everything's tucked up and done really well. Disc brakes at all 4 wheels. New fuel system. You look up at the motor, it's clean. It does have a 200 R4 overdrive automatic transmission that we just had completely rebuilt. Custom drive shaft, 12-bolt rear end. 99% sure it's a 12-bolt. I can tell you right now. It is a 12-bolt. Yeah, gas shocks all the way around. This is a really nice vehicle, folks. I'm sure you can find a flaw with any car, so I won't use the word perfect, but this one's really done well. Whoever buys this one, I'm sure will be very happy. Go to volocars.com. Salesman can help answer your questions, including how to get this delivered, how to get it financed. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.